Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video. I decided to do the natural passion twist in my hair because this color is not cute, so I just wanted to see how it would come out. I already sectioned off my hair off camera. I had my mom like part it, and then I did the other parts for myself. So I just came to show you the rest of this on camera. Then I'm gonna go off camera and put the braids in and come back, and yeah. But this is what we're looking like so far. And yeah, let's get started. To secure my hair, I use these little scrunchies. They're called PICCAT. They're easy, stylish, and chic scrunchies because the rubber bands are too much and too harsh on my hair. So this is what they look like. All right, hey guys, I'm back. I just did everything else off camera because this is very time consuming and I don't want to waste up any time. So I'm just gonna jump into the process that I do to get this hairstyle. I'm gonna be looking this way because my mirror is over here and I need to see exactly what I'm doing. So here we go. I have all my products next to me, my comb, scissors, all that good stuff. This is what I use. I use these little scrunchies instead of rubber bands because on the ends here, I need to protect it. So I prefer to use these scrunchies instead of rubber bands. I will have to use rubber bands though because I'm running out of these scrunchies. But that is typically what I use for this hairstyle. You want to get your gel and just put it at the base so that you can get a really good grip. Also, take out your baby hairs. Oh, that's kind of big. And then you just want to get started. See? Okay, now you want to take your styling cream, apply it to your ends to protect your hair, and then take your gel of your choice and smooth it on the hair so that it can lay flat when you go to twist it. Comb it out. So I'm using crochet hair. This is the closest I could find at the moment for my hair color, sadly. So yeah, I just open it, then I cut it into two, and then I separate it. Now to get the braid to stay, I literally just twist this, like I twist this really tight, and then I would take the hair and just wrap it around. I'm gonna tighten that bit. Wrap it around, covering the scrunchie, and then I will start to braid. It's gonna be a little hard because scrunchie is kind of thick, so you have to like really get in there. And I braid it a little bit. Okay, so here I tuck my hair in to the crochet hair, and then I just twist so that my hair does not come flying out. Alright, so I just jumped to my last piece of the install. So I'm gonna use my scrunchie. I'm going to put some styling cream in my hair so that it's not dry and it's moisturized. I'm gonna take gel and smooth everything down.
A controlled environment has proven ideal for the maximum impact of number 7's powers. But in the face of sure, uninvited chaos, she must be trained to locate control in another form.
Okay guys, this is the final product of my hair. I'm so freaking happy about this. Like, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I actually did it. I had to cut it by myself, but it's alright because I still made it happen. I don't know what to say. I'm just like so happy about everything. It came out mad cute. Well, I just want to say thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos and join the family. Much love.